Hey, thanks for joining me for another video. In today's Tesla Quick Tip, we're going to be taking a look at the maintenance of a Tesla. Now, Teslas are famously known for having little to no maintenance, as they have vastly smaller amounts of moving parts versus a traditional gas car. We're talking a couple dozen versus thousands. So what is actually suggested as far as maintenance for a Tesla? Well, it's really just windshield wiper fluid, swapping out the cabin air filter every 3 years, a brake fluid test about every 2 years, and tire rotation every 6,250 miles, or if tread depth is 2/32 of an inch or greater, whichever comes first. This can include balancing and alignment, but that should be done at a Tesla service center and only after you get new tires, or there's an issue like a rough ride, or you can visibly see that the tires are uneven. Tire rotation, which we're going to be discussing today, can be done super inexpensively and conveniently through the Tesla app's mobile service appointment. No need to take your car to a tire service center and wait around while it's being done. Instead, have a Tesla technician come directly to your home or office and perform the rotation for only $50 and in less than 20 minutes. Tesla mobile service is available throughout North America and can be scheduled directly within the Tesla app. If you're unsure if you're too far away, just try setting an appointment in the service section of the app with your address, or call your nearest service center. Now, while it is slightly more expensive than going to Discount Tires or Sam's Club, or of course doing it yourself if you have the equipment, it's done by Tesla itself with your convenience in mind. This will also ensure the technician uses the jack pucks to protect the battery pack underneath the Tesla, which is extremely important. So today I'm going to take you through the super simple process of scheduling a tire rotation through Tesla mobile service using the app, and what to expect throughout the entire process. All right, so now inside the Tesla app, all you're going to do is head to the service section and then click Request Service. Once here, you'll look for the part for tire and wheels. Click that. Then you'll just click Tire Rotation, hit Done. Then in this section, you can type any concerns in. And you can, of course, attach a picture there if you need to. Then you're going to click Next. You can either enter your address there or just hit Current Location. We're going to hit Current Location. Then it's going to have all your information right here. And then all you do is to the bottom. And that's pretty much it. And then just make sure your car is outside and available for the technician during the service window you agreed to. And that's how super easy this is. Okay, here's the Tesla technician performing the tire rotation. Only took about 20 minutes to complete, and there was no person-to-person interaction, as all communication was done directly through the Tesla app. So as you can see, the process was super simple. All you had to do is make sure that your car was accessible during the appointment window. If you're in a parking lot, I'd make sure that there's nobody parked next to you, just as a courtesy to the technician. Once the technician arrives, you'll receive a message in the app. And once the rotation is finished, you'll receive another message in the app stating the appointment is complete and a $50 invoice, which you can pay with Apple Pay or any major credit or debit card. So I think this is a super convenient way to get your tire rotation done. Was it slightly more expensive than taking it somewhere? Sure, but it was far more convenient, and I'm okay with spending a little bit more if it means it frees up more time and of course gets done correctly. I will put a link below to Tesla's recommended maintenance page on their website so you can see all the suggested services for your model. Well, that about wraps up today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next travel quick tip or review video. Thanks for watching.